Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We got back pretty late and I was so tired. We walked around for like an hour and we went to a few stores around here to grab some little stuff that we needed for the vacation. And then we just head back here. We had some dinner. We found this taco spot downstairs. It was really good in the hotel and we looked around the casino. This is day 2 right now. It is 10:11 a.m. We're going to grab some breakfast, probably go to the strip, look around a little bit, and yeah, I'm excited. Today's supposed to be warm. Let's see. Last night was pretty cold. Well, it wasn't cold, you know, you needed like a little sweater. It was cool. Hopefully today it's warmer outside since the sun is out, and when we got here last night it was dark already. This is the outfit for today. So this is what I am wearing today. My hair is kind of crazy and I just got some sandals on. My little bag so I can carry some stuff. Put my glasses on so I can see. And that's Kenny's outfit. There's a window here, it's like perfect, great lighting. I love it. This is how I did my look. That was gonna fuck up. You're Kevin McGinn, what do you do? Winthrop's not giving you an open three-point look, a clean look. Day 2. They're extending upon the three-point line on the shot clock. We're gonna go get breakfast. I don't know where yet. I can't wait because I am hungry. I gotta bring my prenatal with me because yesterday I didn't do so good. Don't judge me. It was a long day. See you guys at breakfast. This is what we ate last night for dinner when we got in. The tacos there are so bomb. Guys, we're at the Peppermill Diner in Vegas. We're walking towards the strip. It is so hot out here today. I'm definitely probably gonna get a tan. I wish I wore like more, well, I guess less clothes. And Kenny's out here. He was dressed like last night. Last night was cold compared to right now. Right now it's so hot. Well, that didn't go as planned. They say it was an hour to 2 hour wait. Like, that's insane. I'm starving. I am not waiting that long. At least we know it's good, and we'll probably come back and see if we can
We'll be back.
Get in on a different day that is not so packed. There's a Denny's here, a Subway's. It's packed out here, kind of. A lot of people. They say that this week's getting busier again, Vegas. Get back to you guys when we get to the strip. We're like about 20 minutes away now. Still haven't gotten any breakfast, so still on a hunt for that. Oh look, Tao.
There it is.
Gonna grab some Dunkin' and some food. Now we're in Flamingo Hotel, and this is the, I think it's the garden in Flamingo. So you have the flamingos right here. So cute. It's so beautiful. That one only has one leg.
There's a whole variety of them. Go on this side.
So pretty. Oh my god. What is that?
Look at that big old boy.
Oh my god, look at that big koi fish. What?
This is a pelican.
Wow. Chilling. Hey guys, so we're back at the hotel now. We walked the whole entire strip and I was so tired when we got home. We ordered some Thai food. I took off my makeup, took a shower obviously. Look at my eyes, so red. And I look so tired. Kenny took a nap. I got blisters on my feet. It burns when I take a shower so bad, but we had a lot of fun. We saw a lot of stuff. There's so much things to do on the strip. The strip is so long. We might go back tonight to see the water fountain at the Ballagio. Just check out the strip at night because I know it's different with all the lights and stuff, so it's probably really, really pretty. I kind of like recorded a little bit of the strip and what we did, but after a while my phone was dying. I'll show you guys what I do have. They already included all of that before I said this, but I hope you guys liked the video of day 2. I'm just closing out for tonight. We will be back tomorrow for day 3. I'm not sure what we're doing yet. I don't have anything really planned out. My brother and his girlfriend are just coming in. We're gonna go with the flow tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow with day 3. Hope this video helped anyone that's visiting Vegas. Toodles. Good night, y'all.